Okay, I'll call us to order and ask if there's a motion to adopt the agenda. Is there a second?
Second.
All in favor, vote aye.
Aye.
Opposed, vote no. Is there a motion to approve the minutes or to modify the minutes in any way from the June 14th meeting?
Move we approve as reported.
Second.
All in favor, vote aye.
Aye.
Opposed, vote aye. I see no council member present except our commissioner, who I think is willing to wait until this issue comes up. So we'll move on to items for deferral and withdrawal.
There are two items for withdrawal today. The first item is, deferral. There's no items for withdrawal, two items for deferral. The first item is item 1 on page 4 of the agenda, and it's a request to rezone from RS5 to RS6, property located at 18 Fern Avenue, and the staff recommendation is to defer to the July 26, 2012 Planning Commission meeting. The second item is item number 8 on page 6 of your agenda, and this is a request to rezone from SP to R6 for property located at 24 Lincoln Street, and the staff recommendation is to defer to the July 26, 2012 Planning Commission meeting.
All right, thank you. Is there a motion regarding deferral of these two recommended items? These two items recommended for deferral?
Second.
All in favor, vote aye.
Aye.
Opposed, vote no. Consent agenda.
Okay. Before I get to the consent agenda for our audience, if you are not satisfied with the decision made by the Planning Commission today, you may appeal the decision by petitioning for a writ of cert with the Davidson County Chancery or Circuit Court. Your appeal must be filed within 60 days of the date of the entry of the Planning Commission's decision. To ensure that your appeal is filed in a timely manner and that all procedural requirements have been met, please be advised that you should consult independent legal counsel. For the items on our consent agenda, these will be voted on at a single time. There'll be no individual public hearings, nor will the Commission debate these items unless a member of the audience or Commission requests that the item be removed from the consent agenda. The first item on the consent agenda